This is a little bit of an impromptu trip this morning. I wasn't actually planning to come out today, but Doug's away for a week. The weather's going to turn to crap in a few days, so it was either today or not at all this week. Good morning, Gertrude. So let's see how we go. So back in the boggy swim today. The water has dropped a little bit. It's a grey old day, but it's supposed to clear up. I'll fish a feeder with worms out there and unweighted out in front, and I can see some fish moving on the top over there now. Pack the feeder. Right, well, let's go. Almost immediate. Just a little one. Nice start. The unweighted's gone off. Little redfin. Here we go. Don't know how I missed that. Dear oh dear. Sun's finally breaking through, which is nice, but it's been very quiet. I've been here for about 90 minutes. One carp virtually straight away, one little redfin. That's been about it. Action. Oh, stopped. Missed it. Right, the float's bobbing. Just pick something up in close on the float, which makes a nice change. I think it's a carp. Let's get this other line out the water. It's a carp. Bread. I must just about drop the bait in front of him, I think, because it went under straight away as soon as I threw it in. Well, it's been a long time between drinks, that's for sure. I won't turn this down, thank you very much. In the bag. Oh, high 30s. Yay, a second fish. Well, I don't think I'm going to give it much longer. Nothing happening really at all. A few little picky bites, but that's it. 2 carp, 1 little redfin. It's been a slow day at the pond. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Well, bonus. I've packed up, left one line in the water like I always do, and it's gone off. I think we can call that for 3 carp. No monster, but the way things have been today, I'm grateful for anything. That was on bread. Plenty of burley gone out there today, so I'm not really surprised. Bread seems to have been the bait. I only caught 1 little redfin on worms, that's been it. The bonus fish. This time I'm really going. See you in the next one.